can hit it.
Yes, those are like, those are bully mom, like, poop plate things.
Bullimon poop.
I'm not even kidding, those are like its dung piles.
It already did.
Alright. Guys, if you haven't figured out by now, this is Borderlands 2. Take that.
So, Hammerlock wants to give you a sniper rifle. Laugh at his offer. Ha! If you bring me the fur, I'll give you a badass shotgun I found in the hands of a dead vault hunter.
Oh god, I gotta sneeze.
You can still smell the sadness on it.
Oh dear God.
Ow!
Let me guess, you muted your mic and then just let it happen to me?
No. No, everyone's gonna hear the full glory of my sneeze. No, oh, actually, I can't mute my mic if I wanted to, but,
Boing.
my computer was shaking pretty good.
Boing.
This machine will digitally construct a vehicle for you. Give it a try.
I want a machine. Is the machine? Oh, fun vehicle.
Whoa! Unauthorized user up in my grill! You trying to hack my catch a ride?
Yeah.
Uncool, bro. Uncool.
Uncool, bro. Where's my car?
We have to fix it.
I have to what? Fix it?
We have to go get a part to hack it.
Where's the part?
Look at the minimap.
Oh, the square box.
Mm-hmm.
To the square box. Fish
This is one where you have to search for it.
Nazis hate me! Y'all hate me!
Nice. Oh, I'm down.
Just attach the adapter onto the catch ride and get you a free car.
Hey, I want to go kill that guy.
Don't worry.
I got you.
Dead? Did I kill him?
Back up
Did I
now.
kill him?
I got you up. Prepare to run.
This is the last time I try to save your ass.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
No, strike your face from my fingernails!
Did you hear this?
No, you should revive me.
I'm probably gonna go down at this
I feel a deep, dark
Run.
horror.
Oh, I'm so close to dinging. Oh, I dinged.
You're so close to dinging.
Yeah, when you level up, it's called dinging.
It's called dinging, or is that the thing you called it? I'm down! Holy fuck.
Dinging was something people called leveling up in games and
I
stuff
see
like this, because
red.
sometimes I made a dinging sound.
Why did you
So
steal my
Borderlands
kill?
actually made it official. I didn't steal your
That's
code.
the second time you did it. I have it on video. I was gonna shoot him and get back up, and you killed him, and you had to revive me.
Oh, at least I didn't revive you. Just leave. We can go for another one of this.
Alright, you fixing this thing or what?
You're able to do it too, but yeah.
Executing phase shift.
Executing face.
My character seems so much taller than yours.
Rescinding lockdown.
Wait a moment while I hack the catch a ride.
Catch a ride.
I have 120% chance to light people on fire, or for an elemental effect to happen. I'm pretty sure that means it has to happen now.
Cool. Try requesting another car.
Anything catches your eye.
Bum 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 bum. That's all I can have.
Right now. Ouch, my thumb.
going up. I'm like, oh, what?
Sorry
Oh.
if you guys hear me put down a cup of drinking coffee to stay awake.
Hey, there's my car. I don't want to be in the gunner seat. Go to the gunner seat. How do I go in the driving area?
Thanks for using scooters. Catch a
You
ride,
have to look at the front.
Real charmer, that one. You should
Yay,
now
now you
be
guys
able
get
to
to see me
digistruct a car
drive.
from any catch-a-ride station. Now use one to jump that gap.
Where'd it go? Good God, there we go.
Lord.
Oh, we failed. You have to wait
Now
for...
to Sanctuary and find Roland. He knows what the front hunter who stared down Hudson Jack and Blake.
That song and horrible award-winning
I
movie!
hate how you have to... The controls are not
Stop.
good.
Sometimes I envy you bandits. You're so unburned.
You get used to
Things
it.
like intelligence,
I'm
code,
stuck.
morality, honor, good looks. I could go on, but I won't.
Oh, it's bully monk
But I
right here.
Alright.
Ah, dignity! I almost forgot to mention dignity.
I can't pick it
Easy,
up.
Blood Stallion. Easy.
You saw him pick one.
Yay! I made it over. We can go this way. 30 below. Oh! I don't care. I just want out of this place. No. Meow.
Oh my god, I fail so bad.
Oh. I hit a tree. Oh my goodness.
I haven't had to drive Borderlands in a while.
Oh yeah.
I love the car physics.
I don't know how to turn. God damn it.
The right stick, just look where you want to go. Like Minecraft mode.
Like a Minecraft.
Actually, yeah, think of it exactly like that. The controls are very simple.
Whatever you're doing
You have
is
to go
really
forward.
loud.
I'm just talking. You talking about my voice or in the game?
Am I supposed to be going up this way? Where's the diamond at? Oh, it's back there. That turbo thing. How do you do it and stop?
Left bumper. You gotta hold it. Oh, killed him.
Alright?
Ow! Oh my god, he can move! I hit this
Your
crazy
liver is a
bastard
hood
at
ornament!
100 miles an hour. My guy's so big, he barely, he clips out of the car, basically.
This is a freaking
Wow.
shield!
Alright. What are we doing?
I'm
Poke.
gonna be the last thing you
Poking
Oh, I
bandits.
figured that.
Hey, babe!
Oh god. Can't see. Can't see.
Bloodshot scoundrels. You're a vault hunter. Just a sec. Roland wanted to talk to you. Let me echo it.
Exactly. I don't got enough time for
You're
this.
the one I've been hearing all this radio chatter about. Name's Roland.
Walk on!
Until I form the Crimson. We'll catch up when I get back to Sanctuary. For now, I need your help. My men tell me Corporal Reese hasn't returned the power core that we need to keep the city's shields running. Bring Reese back to Sanctuary, and you'll have earned your place in the Raiders.
Bring Reese back to Century.
Roland's
Find Purple
contacted you? Good. Listen to what he says. He can help us defeat Jack.
Oh, I failed.
Reese. My car's broken. I want a new car.
What's wrong with your car? I'm using it right now. It seems fine.
Handsome
Ow!
Jack
That
here,
hurts
reminding
my
you all
ears.
Not to worry
so
your pretty
bad.
little heads about those earthquakes.
Sorry.
See, with every tremor, my drill gets closer to the vault, to freedom, order, and safety for us all. Except you assholes.
Where'd we go? Following you.
This way.
Yeah, that way. We can't drive in there?
Yeah, we're here. Nope.
I redeployed a car for no apparent reason.
It got us here faster, didn't it? We could have ran.
Boing. Do you even go faster when you jump?
I don't know, I just do it. Something to do.
Boing.
Look at all that gear.
Where are they? I hear them. Oh. Where are they?
Don't scavenge my stuff.
Meow. I wonder if there's anything up there.
Maybe.
I have to look. It's a must. There is something in there. Many.
Dolly's little CD when it comes to loot.
Many.
Oh, I think that was a ladder. Explosive barrel, I do not want to make it.
I have a bunch of. Oh, that's you.
Yeah.
Pounds up!
Hey. If I could kill you, I probably would.
I want to hear you
Ow.
scream!
Hey, look, it's me!
Arr!
Are you killing yourself?
Well, there's a badass psycho up here. Oh no, he's right behind me. He just killed me.
You can't stop me!
What is that?
That's a badass psycho.
Oh, I don't like that guy.
I can become one of those if I choose the right skill tree. Thank you. I'll keep burning him.
Out of here.
Oh, he dropped a pistol. Run.
Onward.
Pistol.
Oh, boost! That was a huge boost. He threw a rock at me. He's throwing rocks at me.
I try shooting those out of the air.
Where'd you drop? Boost! I'm being boosted.
Ah,
Ow.
Keep it
That's
flowing!
Got the power core from the bloodshots! Below the bridge!
Who's next? Nah. Where's this?
Marrow fields!
16.
it's like a shotgun.
Reese is in trouble? Damn, spread thin enough as it is. Find him, soldier.
No. Oh, we're here. Are we here? Are we supposed to save him?
Yeah, now we gotta go over here apparently.
So much stuff to do.
Well, that's good. Wouldn't be much of a game if there was nothing to do.
Oh. One shot, one kill. No, not for you, but you know.
What? Oh. Yeah, let's get it.
Wonderful, you've gotten all the fur I need. Bring it to me and my sniper rifle shall be yours.
I like this shotgun.
Oh! Clutch!
And I'll give you a shotgun.
I jumped off that cliff, threw an axe at this little thing in midair and got it.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Yeah?
it was clutch.
If I talk too loud, I echo off a basic mic. I'm sorry.
That means she can't yell at me.
Boing.
Goddamn bloodshots.
Oh god.
If anyone can hear me, I need help.
Need help.
Mistake, big grinder.
Critical. Bunch of ammo. What's this? Oh, superb.
Nice. Nice. Take that. What do you do? Oh. I want that too.
Ow.